Amid all the significances of March 12, the biggest significance Indian has is in the form of Dandi March, Salt Satyagraha, Salt March. And this day is significant because it gives a new form of protest, which is civil disobedience. Hello and welcome to the In Focus series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about March 12, Dandi March, and what is the significance of this day. And this topic is important for your GS 1 perspective. So moving towards the points of discussion part. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the news, then we are going to discuss about the Dandi March, then we are going to discuss about its significance, and then we are going to discuss practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to this TIE's channel. So moving towards to the news part. So the news is that today is the 12th of March and on this historic day, there was an incident which had happened and which has a greatest contribution into the freedom struggle of India, which is in the form of Salt March. And this movement was led by Mahatma Gandhi. Later, it was joined by many other political leaders and freedom fighters. So this is the news which we are going to cover up in today's session. Before moving to any discussion of part, as you already know that in the March 2023, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced that this will be a Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and on this historic day, this particular thing has been announced. So this day is also important in contemporary times. So coming to the discussion part, that why there was a protest, why there was a thing over the salt, why salt was significant and why there was a salt march. The salt was significant because salt is a basic need of every human being. And so many people were very skeptical that why we are fighting over salt, because salt was a connecting point where rich and poor can unite together, where Hindu and Muslim can unite together, because it is everything need. And according to MK Gandhi, this was the thing which we should needed and we should protest over so that we can be united for the freedom cause. So that's why the salt was the main ingredient and main tool for the protest, and salt has become a tool for the freedom protest. So this is the reason that why we have taken a salt in the form of protest and why salt was significant into the freedom struggle. So this is the significance behind that why this particular day is observed. On the other hand, if we'll start that why there is a discussion over the Dandi March and why there is a discussion over the Salt Satyagraha, because this particular day has a greatest significance in our history, because it has given a new form of protest or new form of movement, which is civil disobedience movement. And civil disobedience movement has been also marked as a satyagraha. So here if we'll start the chronology, so it has been started by 12th March 1930 by Mahatma Gandhi, and at that time around 78 to 79 followers joined him and they had marched towards the coastal village which is Dandi. So that's why it is also called as Dandi March. So from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi March, March 12 to April 5th. So this is the chronology and date and place we have. So this is about that thing. And this particular movement has a greatest significance because around 60 to 70,000 people have been arrested. They had joined protest and they had celebrated and they had, what you can say, joined in the form. Suppose that in Bihar and in other states there is no coastal region, but the salt protest and in a different form of salt protest has been observed in a different parts of the country. So in order to mark the solidarity with the Dandi March or Dandi Yatra, so this particular day have been observed and this has become a mass movement. So the discussion is about the Satyagraha. So what is Satyagraha means? So Satyagraha has three components. One component is truth, another component is non-violent, and a third component is self-suffering. This is the way of Gandhi's Satyagraha. Right now, we also do Satyagraha and you can see a different form of protest, but its nature differs. But here we are talking about the Gandhi's way of Satyagraha. So his satyagraha includes the self-suffering, truth and non-violence. So this is the salt satyagraha which has been led by M.K. Gandhi against the Britishers, because in 1882 there was a salt law and Britishers have prohibited that you cannot produce or you cannot sell salt, and the Indians has to pay tax for the salt. So for the basic need also Indians were paying the tax, and this has become a tool and this has become a main ingredient for the protest, that why we would give tax for even our basic needs. And MK Gandhi took it as a tool, and he what you can say procured a lump of salt into the coastal village, and from there it has marked as a significance of the salt satyagraha, and people got inspiration that they can manufacture and they can produce their own salt. So this is about the satyagraha, and here we had already discussed about that why salt was main ingredient. Now coming to the discussion of Gandhi begins the salt march. So we have already discussed that on March 12 it has started and it has ended by 5th of April, and Mahatma Gandhi picked up a lump of natural salt defying British law, and this particular movement has been observed at various places of the country. We can see in the Dandi, Bombay, Karachi, and various people has joined, even women had also joined the protest. So this is about the salt. Now here we will discuss about the Gandhi arrested. So here we can see that on May 21 Sarojini Naidu also joined this particular protest led by 2500 marchers to Dharasna salt work. This is also very much important question, because in prelims examination they asked that whether Sarojini Naidu was a part of this movement or not, and if she was a part, which place she was protesting. So this is Dharasna salt works, and here we can see that Gandhi was also arrested during this particular movement. The salt satyagraha sparked nationwide civil disobedience involving millions of Indians. Over 60,000 people were arrested, including Gandhi, on May 5th. But the movement continued because people had make this movement alive at different parts of the country. And American journalist Webb Miller's report that this violence has caused major disruption to British image in front of the whole world community, and people were very critical about the British narratives and British way of dealing with Indians. So what were the British attitude towards Indians? It has been heavily criticized because this particular movement has gained the, what you can say, international recognition, and it has been internationally published. So this is about the significance of this movement, that this movement was not only limited to Gujarat. This has been widespread throughout the country, and it has been also exposed the British policies towards Indians. So coming to the discussion on aftermath of the salt march. So in January 31, Gandhi was released from the prison, and there he made an agreement, and he also joined the conferences, and after the conferences there was no, what you can say, positive result has come out. But the significance we have got from all this movement, that earlier the Gandhi has made alive the civil disobedience movement. It has given, the Gandhi has given a new form of protest, and also it has given an inspiration that even the basic tool, even the basic ingredients can be protested. And if they are dealing, if they are attacking on our basic needs, then we need to protest for our basic need also. It has united the whole country. It has made this particular struggle in a mass movement. So here people got awakened that there are something wrong done by the British to them, and that's why they need to protest. So the awareness has been spread throughout the country. The international recognition we have got, women's and the people from different background had joined. So that's why this particular movement has become a mass movement. So its significance can be analyzed onto various perspectives. First, we can fight for our basic rights. Second, women have joined the movement. Third, people from diverse background, whether they are belonging from the rich community or poor community, it has united them all. So this movement has given a base for unity, and the most important, it has spread the word about the freedom struggle. It has spread word about the different forms of injustices done by the British government. So it was not just limited to the SALT. It has awakened the Indian masses that you can protest in a non-violent way for your basic rights. So this is the biggest message we have got from the SALT March and SALT Satyagraha and Dandi March. And this highlights the M.K. Gandhi's biggest contribution to the Indian national movement and Indian freedom struggle. And here it gives us a glimpse that how our freedom fighters had fought for the basic rights. And today we are free, it's just because of them. And this was one of the leading reasons and leading cause where people got awakened about their rights and awakened about their slavery and awakened about the British attitude towards the Indians. Now we are going to discuss about the practice question for prelims. The SALT March led by the Mahatma Gandhi in 1930 started from which location? This is very easy one. Wardha, Sabarmati Ashram, Champaran and Bombay. So this is very easy one. You can answer into the comment section. Also, this particular incident can be important in contemporary times also, because here we see different forms of protests and sometimes protests become very violent also. So how we can take inspiration from Dandi March and how protest can be non-violent, so that we can tell our things also, we can register our resistance also, and without compromise of any damage to human and property. So how SALT March can be inspiration for today's form of protest? This can be your mains question. So do practice this mains question. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask into the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.